Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing issues with your Dyson V10 trigger being broken, you're not alone. This is a common problem that can arise due to wear and tear or simply due to the mechanism becoming stuck. If left unfixed, it can lead to further complications, resulting in your vacuum not functioning at all. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to repair it effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. To safely open the device, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum and carefully remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back casing away from the main body, being cautious not to force it. Now, let's identify the broken trigger component. It is usually located near the handle. You may need to wiggle it slightly to get a clear view. Once you've located it, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Be careful during this process to avoid damaging any nearby components. After removing the old trigger, take your new replacement trigger and align it properly in the same position. Press it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is secured in place. Now, check for any connecting cables, ensure they are not pinched or damaged during the replacement. It's important to replace the casing carefully, ensuring all clips are in place before you reinsert the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, take a moment to test the trigger before fully sealing it up. Ensure it engages and releases properly, confirming that your repair has been successful. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your vacuum clean and free from debris. Regular maintenance and checks can help prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.